People do not pay attention to what it is that you say. They evaluate how you make your statements. If you want to be respected, you need to be confident in what it is that you say and how exactly you say it. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Ilomuanya Chiamaka, and in today's video we'll be talking all about how to make people respect you, how to condone yourself in order for you to command respect, especially when you are addressing people or talking to people of all kinds. We'll be talking about 5 crucial and important steps that will help you to command respect when you are talking to people. The 5th step is my most favorite step. If you really want to know what that final step is, stay tuned and watch to the end of this video. The first important step on how to make people to respect you is to be authentic. In whatever field you are, you need to make sure that you are actually true to yourself. Pretending to be something you are not, it is not long lasting, because people would always sniff out people who are not being true to themselves. So whatever it is you need to tell people, however it is you need to speak to people, you need to make sure that your number one value is to be authentic, because what differentiates you from a whole lot of people is the capacity to deliver in your own way. People want to experience something new, not just what everybody else is doing. All right, so be authentic and know exactly what and how to deliver either a speech or a service or any deliverable that you have. You should know exactly how to deliver it in your own way. That is what makes you authentic. An example, I will use my humble self as an example. I have a stutter, but at the same time I have a strong flair for public speaking. I know people will look at me like I don't know what I'm doing, or I should just be quiet, or I should not let people know that I have this stutter. But this is something I believe God has called me to do, and because of that I am coming out to tell people that I want to be an internationally recognized public speaker. And how else can I start in my journey of public speaking if I don't start by talking to you and also me? So this is me being authentic to myself, to my own craft, and my stutter is exactly what makes me unique and what makes me stand out among all the other speakers that we have, because statistics have shown that 1 in every 10 people have a stutter. However, 0.001% of these people are public speakers. So I am being authentic to myself that I want to be a part of that 0.001, and this would encourage other people to actually stand up and do whatever it is they want to do, despite the limitations that they have. That way, when you stand within people, people would have utmost respect for you. You know why? because you are doing exactly what they cannot do. So they don't have any other choice than to have that respect for you. The second step to making people respect you is to show interest when people speak. All right, the world does not revolve around you. The world doesn't revolve around me as well. So when people are talking to you, when people are sharing any kind of information to you, all you have to do to make them respect you is to actually pay attention. Whatever they have to say, whether is boring or interesting, allow them to finish what they have to say. That way, at the end of that conversation, they will be so happy that they actually confided in you when they needed help. I hope this video has been super helpful to you so far. I would encourage you to please like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get notifications whenever I upload new videos, and also for the video to reach other people who actually need to hear this message. All right, guys, so I am going to combine two very important steps into the third step, and that is confidence and respectfulness. These two steps go hand in hand. You cannot be respectful as an individual and not have confidence in yourself. All right, so with confidence comes respectfulness. So you need to first build up on how you value yourself, how you carry yourself. By the time people see how you value and respect yourself, they don't have any other option than to actually respect you. All right, guys, the fourth step is to uphold integrity. Do you always tell people you do something and you end up not doing that? How many times have you actually promised someone that you help him or her to do something and you end up not doing it over and over and over again? These multiple times that you have failed to do something that you told someone that you do, all these times have been making them to reduce the way they respect you. One of the things I tell people to uphold as one of their values is to uphold integrity. You need to make sure that your word is actually your bond. Now we have come to the most interesting part of this video. I got this amazing quote from Tony Gaskins, and he said, for people to have utmost respect for you, all right, you need to make sure that your brain, your brand, and your body is in check. Your brain speaks about your knowledge. What do you know? What knowledge have you acquired to the point that you actually teach people that which you know? You need to constantly educate yourself, not just educating yourself in one particular field. You need to have foundational knowledge of, if not everything, at least across all the important sectors. Have foundational knowledge so that whatever setting that you find yourself, you'll be able to have smart conversation with people, and guess what that will lead to? Respect. Make sure you gain your knowledge so that you can have intelligent conversations with people, and at the end of the day you will leave that gathering having people reach out to you just because of a knowledge that you shared, and that will make them to respect you true and true. All right, so the number 2 of 3 B's is your brand. Build not just your business but your personal brand. What do people know you for? And if you are not consciously and intentionally building your brand, guess what? The society is already doing that for you and you don't even know it. So why not you give the society what you would want them to know you for? That exactly is your brand. All right, your business and your personal brand are the most important thing you should build on in order for people to know exactly what to associate you with when they are talking about you. And finally, the last B is your body. Be very intentional with what it is you eat, what you wear, how you present yourself to the society. You need to actively engage your body in a physical activity, whether it's exercising, whether it's running, whether it's taking a walk, but you need to also consciously make sure that your body is where you want it to be. It's all about you. However you arrange yourself, it's how people will view you. And however people view you is exactly how they will respect you. If this video was truly helpful to you, I would like to encourage you to watch this other video to know exactly how to discover your passion starting this year 2024. I would like to encourage us to please like, share and subscribe to my channel in order for the video to reach other people who this video would be of great importance to. And until the next video, have yourself a wonderful day. Bye.